We got dolphins. Oh, there they are. All those little glistening things are dolphins. That's a big pod. And then we got a blowhole. This should definitely do it. So right here, all the way down, is a big crack. And let's see if we get blown. What a cool vent. So, oh, here's some more waves, and then you can see the dolphins off the shore. Okay, one more blow. 2 comma waves. There you go. Woo-hoo, but look at those dolphins. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, there's dolphins. There you go. Anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, and aloha, and I want to connect with you. Oh, goody. Here's another one, and I should be blown from the love of it. Yeah. Oh, I see the dolphins. You can see them. Find your joy in nature. So much my joy. Look at that. Oh, you can see the dolphins. Ooh, there's some plane at the end.